sa mga laro po ng Premier Volleyball League PVL mamaya. Magkaroon po ng double-header na tapatan, March 21, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Unang laban magtatapat ang Creamline Cool Smashers against Capital One Solar Spikers sa ganap na alas 4 ng hapon at sa second game naman magtatapat ang Petrogas Angels vs Cherry Tigo Crossovers. Ang dalawang team na sisalang mamaya na Creamline Cool Smashers at Petrogas Angels ay kabilang sa 5 team na nangunguna sa team standings ng Premier Volleyball League PVL na may 4-1 win-loss records. Kasama sa 5 team na ito ang Signal HD Spikers, Chaco Mucho Flying Titans at PLDT High Speed Hitters. Malaki ang posibilidad na makuhang muli ng Creamline Cool Smashers ang panalo mamaya against Capital One Solar Spikers at mabawing muli ang leading spot sa team standings na 5-1 win-loss records. Pero ang second game hindi pa masisiguro kung sino ang mananalo sa tapatang Petrogas Angels vs Cherry Tigo Crossovers dahil matindi at malakas ang momentum ng Cherry Tigo Crossovers sapagkat sila lamang ang tumalo at nagputol sa 19 games winning streak ng Creamline Cool Smashers mula pa noong nakaraang season na records ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Samantalang sa ibang istorya naman mga idol, Fifi Sharma thankful sa samahan nila ni Sid Domingo na kahit daw mag-rotate ang eksena ganun pa rin ang intensity sa gitna ng court. Ito ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Fifi Sharma against Sid Domingo. Of course I'm very happy because I'm confident that as I rotate, she comes in, it's the same intensity inside the court. As I mentioned before I admire Ate Celine and it's great for the team that we work so well together. Ang pahayag ni Fifi Sharma after the game versus Anxeld Chameleons. Ang pahayag naman ni Rafi Mosuela at instructions niya sa kanyang mga players at lalong-lalo na sa kanyang setter na si Michelle Cobb. Na I told them to focus in the middle first. Fortunately, we had good receptions most of the time, so that my main instructions, activate the middle blocker, dagdag pa ni Coach Rafi Mosuela na our preparations paid off. Especially emphasizing the middle blockers in our blocking strategies, it definitely worked, ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Coach Rafi Mosuela after the game against Anxeld Chameleons.